Hello, artists. We will be creating Arctic landscapes inspired by the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. Isn't it stunning? Our artwork is going to look something like this. We'll be using chalk pastels and paint. Start by putting your name on your paper and then flipping it over. First, we will draw the horizon line where the sky meets the ground. I decided to use white chalk to represent the snowy landscape, and I also drew my horizon line low so that my paper would showcase more of the lights in the sky. I also wanted my landscape to include a lake or a river, so here I'm drawing a reflection of my snowy hills, so this area will actually be the water. Now we're ready to make our auroras. You're going to take a piece of copy paper and rip it into 3 sections, but when you tear the paper, do it slowly and kind of pull the paper a little bit at a time towards the left and the right so that you get this great wavy line in your tear. Start adding some chalk along the top edge of that wavy line, and here I'm doing a pattern of yellow and green. You can pick whichever colors you want. You don't have to do a pattern either. It's up to you which colors you want to choose. You definitely want to scrape a lot of chalk on there. Don't be stingy. You want it to create a lot of chalk dust to create this great glow effect. And then you'll position it where you want it to go and start rubbing away the chalk dust to create that aurora effect. And then you pretty much just repeat this process as many times as you'd like using whatever colors you'd like. I normally repeat it 4 or 5 times for each of my landscape pictures. And you can overlap them, you can mix up different types of colors. It's up to you how you want to do it. Once you're done with the chalk, you're going to use black paint to add some trees to your landscape. You can just start with a vertical line to be the tree trunk and then downward diagonal lines to be the branches of the evergreen trees. If your landscape includes a reflection like mine, don't forget to add the chalk highlights in the water and also a reflection of the tree using black paint. I love odd numbers in art, so I decided to stop at 3 trees for my landscape, but you can add as many as you want. You can even add extra things to your scenery, like a little cabin or a snowman, whatever you want to add. The final step, and my favorite step, is adding some snowy splatter. Use your brush to stir up the watery white paint, and you're going to hold your brush just a few inches over your paper and gently tap the wooden part of the brush. Move it all around your paper to get an even splatter everywhere, even on the lower sections where you have trees and maybe even a lake. That way it feels like it's snowing everywhere. I hope you enjoyed learning about auroras and that you had fun making this artwork with me.